Chot Reyes and best player of the game, Jason Castro. Coach Chot, Eastern made the last-minute switch, activating their original import Cam Clark for this game. In the huddle, you expressed your concern that Eastern still was making their runs with or without Cam on the floor. Can you touch on how your players were able to acclimate themselves and finally figure them out?
Yeah, first of all, on the change of import, that's the reason why we pushed our practice yesterday to after lunch, because we wanted to wait for the 12 noon deadline to find out who's their import, because we had a hunch they're going to make the change because they beat us with Cam Clark the last time. With regards to Eastern playing well, they're a solid team. Cam Clark is a great addition, but when they put those other big guys who hardly get playing time, those guys can play. So we kind of take them for granted when the import isn't in. So when he was forced to come out because of that landing spot foul at the start of the fourth quarter, that's exactly what I told the players. Okay, now let's make our run without Clark inside. And thankfully they responded. Jason played a hell of a game. But Roger really did the job, a defensive job on Yang. So we feel Yang is the heart and soul of their team. So Roger's offense suffered a little bit, but he more than made up for it for the defense he played on their best player, on Glenn Yang.
Thank you, Coach. Jason, 3 points ka lang nung first half, pero pagdating ng third quarter, 13 points na yung naambag mo. Pinahirapin talaga kayo ng Eastern in most parts of the game kahit galing sila sa laro nila kahapon sa Taiwan. Paano nyo na-maintain yung focus nyo at nagsimula na kayong lumayo pagdating ng second half?
Yeah, kung makita nyo yung defensive rules nila sa amin, sobrang ganda ng defensive rules nila. Nag-i-stay home sila kay Ronde at the same time. Yun nga, sa mga shooters namin. So, na-feel lang namin na, as one of the veteran sa team na to na mag-take over or mag-contribute aside from facilitating the offense, yun nga, yung scoring. Kasi nakita namin na yung weakness nila dun sa ball screen defense. So, buti naman nakapag-contribute ng maganda. At the same time, yun nga, siguro yung defense din namin. Kasi every time na maganda yung defense namin, yung offense namin pumapalo na lang eh.
Thank you, Jason.